All aboard!
Hello, I'm David Walker, Atlanta's business attorney. I work with startup and small businesses. I help with everything from formation to going public. I've been practicing law for 11 years. I first started off as an engineer from the University of Michigan, and from there I went on to law school and worked at 2 law firms, one in Michigan, here in Georgia. I've been president of a venture capital firm, and I was corporate counsel to a public company that I helped to take public and raise over $22 million. In a short amount of time, our firm is growing. In the month of August, we'll have 2 associates joining us, which will then take us from a 1-person law firm to a 3-person law firm. Our goal is to become Atlanta's business attorney firm. We don't want anybody in Atlanta doing a business transaction without talking to our firm. Whether it's starting an LLC or taking a company public, we want to meet all your business needs. We also have a Saturday professional networking organization called the Business Owner Movement, where business owners can come, get educational advice, free legal advice, as well as learn something new from different business-related topics. That organization meets every Saturday. It's called the Business Owner Movement, and it meets from 10 to 12, and it gives you access to a business attorney. So we're looking for that organization to grow over time as well and really create our own little stimulus package in terms of offering this networking event. What sets our law firm apart from other law firms is, one, I have a 100% client retention rate. I've never lost a client. And the reason for that is I answer phone calls, I answer emails, and I'm responsive to all of the client's needs. That helps with communication because most clients want to feel that they have someone to talk to and they have an attorney that's available and accessible. Also, I don't bill for phone calls. In this economy, you need to have a relationship with your attorney in which you can be reliable and they can be reliable on you. And in order to do that, they have to feel comfortable placing phone calls. And if you talk to most law firms, you'll see that most of them do bill you for conversations with clients. I only bill for the work that I do, so that's what sets me apart. Customer service, as well as having interaction with my clients at no charge. If you're a business owner, there's 3 pieces of advice I like to give you. One is revenue, revenue, revenue. Revenue is the most important thing for your business. You can only reduce expenses to a certain amount. Revenue is what makes the engine go. So you want to spend 75 to 90% of your day generating revenue. The second thing is we want you to outsource things you do not specialize in. In order to stay on the revenue track, you can't get bogged down in paralysis by analysis by dealing with issues you don't specialize in, like building your own websites, trying to figure out the differences between the LLC and the corporation, payroll, etc. We want our business owners to outsource those things to people who specialize in them so they can get back to doing the things that generate revenue. And lastly, it's to build relationships. When you outsource things to other business owners, not only can they manage that issue better than you, but they can also develop relationships in the area that's going to help your business grow, because your vendors know that if you're not able to generate revenue, they won't get a check. And so what we try to practice is revenue, 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 outsourcing those things we don't specialize in, and building relationships with our customer, vendors, and other business owners. I'm David Walker, managing partner of the law offices of David M. Walker, ESQ. My phone number is 404-541-6551, and the website is davidmwalker.com.